Hey, hi, welcome here. My name is Sumesh Srivastava, and as part of the video, I'm going to tell some facts about life. Yes, if I ask one question to you, that do you want to become great in your life? Then definitely your answer will be yes. If I ask this question to anybody, they all will say, yes, I want to become great in my life. But the question is, are they able to achieve that greatness? Is everybody in the world who are great? No, right? There is still 80% of the popularity who are mediocre, and only 20% of the person who are great in their life. So, what is the difference between both of them? The person who became great are also a human like you and me, right? So, why? What is the difference? Why they become great and why we are still in the mediocrity? So, if I read or if I got to know about some popular person, some great person like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad, then we get to know that how they become great in their life. What are the things they have done to become that much great, right? There's a many hard work, there's consistency are there. Right? If one another example, we all know the famous superstar of South, Rajnikant sir, right? What they have done previously. Previously, he was a bus conductor, but now he is the god of South. People worship him. He is that much great. And he has made something different from the person who made them to achieve their greatness in which position they are. Right? The path of success is not easy. You have to be crazy for that. So, yes, uh, ask a question to yourself, what you want from your life. You have many dreams, right? So ask one question, that what are you doing right now to achieve your goals, to achieve that dreams which you wished for. Are you doing anything which will make yourself to achieve that goals? You will get your answer. If the answer is yes, then good luck, you are on the right track. But if the answer is no, you are not doing anything which is going to make you great in your life, then ask a question, that what I have to do to become that much great, and what I need to do to achieve the things which I wanted to achieve in my life. Observe your daily routine and make changes accordingly, that what you have to do in order to achieve what the goals is in your life. Do that thing, make consistent effort, make hard work, make a strategy, then you will definitely going to achieve that greatness which you want from your life. Success is not going to happen in one day, but it will happen one day. All the thing is, you have to be consistent towards achieving your goals. Do hard work. Be fair to yourself, that I am doing the things which is going to make me great, which is going to make everything achievable which I wanted to be. Right? Thank you.